Hello, I'm Veronica. Welcome to my garden in Illinois, Zone 6A. Today we're going to be doing the tour for June. And this right here, it's my Walker Slow Nepeta. It's in full bloom. And here in this container, I have salvia, marjoram, nemesia, alyssum, verbena bereniensis, and a dahlia right there. And vinca, and that bright pink of the petunia. And another dahlia. That's the nemesia right there. Oh, I just love all the colors. And over here, I have the bronze fennel, and more nemesia, sun patience. I love the variegated leaves, and a dahlia. Love that pink color. Lobelia right there with alyssum right next to it. And the bronze fennel. It just adds that whimsical touch. And another petunia. Love that. And that dahlia. Love that color. And vinca. And nemesia. I really like this plant. The flowers are so dainty. There, it's my berry border garden bed in all colors of light purples and pinks with that sand cherry shrub right there, and more Walker Slow Nepeta. Salvia is pink profusion salvia, and the darker salvia is May night salvia. I just love how all the pinks and purples look when they're in full bloom. Salvia, the nepeta. And over here I have a begonia. And here is my treasure chest garden bed. And with bold and rich colors in burgundy, orange, bright yellows, reds, and deep purples. And right there it's verbena from Monrovia, that bright pink, neon pink verbena, and heliotrope. Oh, that smells so good. That purple with the purple flowers. And yellow bidens right there. And some stock, and celosia from Monrovia. And Alstroemeria from Lowe's. Beautiful color. some alyssum from Monrovia. That Astromeria has been blooming since April. It's been blooming nonstop. And Caryopsis, right there, that bright yellow. Six packs from Lowe's. Look at that Lowe's. Look at that color. Oh, so nice. And the stock. Oh, and I love this plant. It smells divine. I wish you were here. It smells so good. I love the little flowers. I just love the treasure chest garden bed, full of all these bright colors. And this one right here is the Golden Hour garden bed. Atmospheric and soft, in colors of peach, light yellow, and light pink. Portulaca. Oh, I just love the colors. And this plant is from the 6 packs from Home Depot, and they are so profusely in bloom. And this is Lantana in a peach color. And I have a dahlia right there that has not bloomed, it's still growing, that I planted in bulb back in April. And this is my container that I potted up for Mother's Day, and that's red rooster grass. I love how airy this grass is and the color. And then Portulaca right there again, and Comancho. And this is Coral Bells Caramel and Sweet Flag Grass. And here we have Verbena and Liwesia. And this is the Fruit Punch Classic Coral from Proven Winners, Dianthus. Love the color, especially in the golden hour. It glows. And this right here is the Luna Chesta Daisy from Lowe's. I love that they look like little poof balls. And this is my Cotton Candy Sky garden bed. whimsical and airy in the colors of yellow, pink, white, purple, peach, and blue. And these are the Proven Winners 30-second container. And they have Supertunia Saffron Finch, Supertunia Pink Tiara, and Snowstorm Giant Snowflake. And this is the Foxglove Pink Panther from Home Depot. Beautiful color. And great for pollinators too. And here we have Supertunia Royal Velvet from Proven Winners, and Super Bell's Lemon Slice Calabricoa. This is Ageratum from Proven Winners, and Pentas right there in pink, and more dahlias, and petunias, stock, these are the petunias 6-packs from Home Depot, and the stock too. Really love this antique rose color on this stuff. And this right here is my Pollinator Palace garden bed, which is full of natives. Still growing. And asparagus. I love the leaves, the foliage of the asparagus. And this is my berry border garden bed from the front. This is how it looks from the yard, and I love all the pinks and reds. I love this dianthus. They're all from Lowe's, from those 6-packs. They grow beautifully. And that's more salvia and nepeta. And that right there is Dicentra Pink Diamonds from Proven Winners. And more dianthus from Lowe's. Really like that purple color. And more dianthus from Lowe's from the 6-pack. I love how it gives that purple color and blooms throughout. And pink profusion salvia. Oh, I really love this plant. With the nepeta. Thank you for joining me in the first part of the garden tour in June. See you next time. Happy gardening!